Video I'm showing you how you can restore deleted posts and stories on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and from this click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on the settings in the top. When you are here you have to click on the account settings, and you have to scroll down and you can see the recently deleted option. Click on the recently deleted and you can see all the recently deleted posts in the first section, and you can see the recently deleted story in the second section. So this is the stories and this is the post. So to restore deleted post, simply click on the post that you want to restore and then click on the three dots from this post and you can see the restore button. Click on the restore button and now you have to again click on the restore button to confirm, and now it is updating and it is restored. So it will remain only for 30 days, and if you deleted a item in this day today, then it will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So you can restore here under the 30 days. So please make sure that you come here to restore under the 30 days. So to restore the deleted stories, go to the storage tab, and here you have to click on any of the stories and then click on the three dots more button in the most bottom right corner, and here you can see the restore button. Click on the restore button and you have to click on the restore a story. So click on the restore and now it is updating and now it will be restored to your profile. So that's it, that how you can restore posts and a story. So similarly you can also restore other posts and a story. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.